here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. Okay, so Bitcoin, let's talk about Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin right now here is still, it's still here testing the ME55 as you can see here. And the projection is still the same, is to the downside, okay? It's to the downside like this, okay? So the projection is still the same. I'm not gonna change the projection as you can see here. So this is very easy. Any close below $19,600 in 4-hour chart, I would say, breaking the ME21, you will see full rejection all the way down to $18,500 and maybe new lows. So right now here the projection is like this. So in 4-hour chart, we have a sell signal still, the sell signal is still present. So I open a short position, actually two short positions, one in the 8 hours ago, around here when Bitcoin was in this candle, here at this point, and I closed my position, I think a couple hours ago. And also in 1 hour chart, I opened a second one right now, actually a few minutes ago. So right now here, as you can see here, Bitcoin in 4-hour chart is still healthy, technically speaking, yes, but for me, this is just about time. This area in 4-hour chart is gonna break, and I am looking for the target ME55 here around $19,600. So if ME55 in 4-hour chart breaks, well, you will see full leg down to $18,600. Okay, so right now this area is a key level in 4-hour chart, as you can see here. ME55 is here. So, and also is the pivot, the last pivot in 1-day chart. As said before, if this area breaks, wait for it, because you will see again new lows, for actually maybe new lows this time for Bitcoin. Now, one moment. Sorry, my pets. Okay, so in 4-hour chart, as you can see here, we still have the sell signal or range sideways here. But if you are thinking here is to the moon, well, maybe you're right. But actually with this bounce, the bounce here in 1-hour chart and this rejection, this is looking more like a distribution right now. That's why actually I opened out a short position. So I am looking for actually to break a breakdown here, actually maybe in the next 24 hours, I would say. Okay, so in 1-day chart, let me show you. This, my friend, there is no time. You're thinking here to the moon? Of course no. This is not for me. You will see this week we are gonna see the signal, maybe Friday, I don't know, and this is like this. Okay, so that's why if you are looking for shorts, I mean, if you are thinking, okay, short, well, this is the moment. Remember, I am a financial advisor. Just I'm sharing what I'm doing here. 12-hour chart, any close below, actually this level, any close below $20,150 is gonna trigger the sell signal potentially in 12-hour chart, as you can see here. So get ready, because same level, any close below $19,600, 700, well, bull trap in progress. Actually, that is my speculation. Bull trap. This is a bull trap, and we are gonna see continuation to the downside. Okay, so you want to enter in long position here, and you are thinking Bitcoin to the moon, blah 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 blah. Well, it's up to you, but not with me. Okay, no, for me this is just to the downside. Okay, so in 4-hour it's the same as yesterday. The prediction is still the same. I am still looking for continuation to the downside. Okay, so right now let's talk about the stock market, actually, because I think it's very important. Technical analysis is the same as yesterday, so Bitcoin is still in the range, so it's doing exactly the same thing. So, well, let's talk about the stock market, because the stock market, I think, is getting ready for something interesting. Let me show you here the stock market. Yeah, as you can see here, the stock market is bouncing here while it's still testing the mid-21 here. If we see the 4-hour chart here, the sell signal is not there. I mean, we are gonna see sell signal maybe today. Yeah. So here, as you can see here, sorry. Here, no thank you. It's not with me. Okay, this area. So the projection is like this in 4-hour chart, of course. Okay. So other test to maybe 3,600. Yes, that is I am looking for this projection right now in the next maybe 24 hours. So if we see the 12-hour chart, well, it still has SP500 still has time to at least to be in sideways here. But I need to tell you this. If Bitcoin SP500 breaks this area 3,600, get ready, because new lows, and as I said before, 3,200, 100, around 3,000 is gonna be the level I'm gonna start looking for, around this area. Yeah. Based on volume profile, around this area is the area I will start looking for here. 3,300, 400, and minimum level 2,200, around there. Okay, that is the area I will start looking for. And there, I think we will see like capitulation, something like that. Is panic in the markets? Yes, maybe yes. But let's see. So I'm setting auto leg down. So Bitcoin, if SP500 breaks this level, you will see Bitcoin making new lows. Okay, it's just about time. Bitcoin is gonna break down for me, right? I could be totally wrong, but for me, this is like this. Okay, because I know that the guy from Twitter, from TikTok, they are saying something like this, right? Massive triangle, right? Something like this and something like this, right? The target is, let me see, $29,000. Amazing. Well, good luck with that. Okay, so I think that's it. Same technical analysis for Bitcoin. So I think it's the same thing as yesterday. So nothing changed. Nothing changed. So as you can see here, Bitcoin is still in this process to the downside. So I am looking for a test in 4-hour chart, MA21, yes, but this time with this price action right now, and this rejection, actually the closing 12 hours and a few minutes ago, 1 hour ago, actually, I'm looking for first test $19,800 and continuation actually to $19,700. And here is the key. If this area breaks, new lows, okay? New lows. Technically speaking, actually, $20,000 in macro timeframes. Even you can see Bitcoin at 21, for example, even if Bitcoin can just do something like this, right? Candle here, around here, is gonna be a sell. If you wanna see a reversal here, Bitcoin must close above. I will be bullish about maybe above $22,000. I will be maybe bullish, looking for 24 and maybe potential continuation. Yeah, but this is very clear for me. This is to the downside. Okay, so let me continue. This time in this live stream, use technical analysis request, because it's the same technical analysis as yesterday. As you can see, Bitcoin is just in sideways. If you have any requests, please let me know. Okay. So okay, euro for okay, you are trading again euro, right? So let me see. Okay. Okay, it's the same prediction as yesterday. I mean, what you can expect, the volatility is very low. This is gonna take time. Yeah, in 4-hour chart, of course. Look at this. Better variance. Technically speaking, here always is gonna be my target. If you're trading 4-hour chart, this is a target here. Sorry, let me fix this here. This is the target in 4-hour chart, of course. Potential bounce from there, yes, of course. We are gonna see a small bounce, maybe yes, but in overall, the I am looking for, if this area breaks, full leg down to 0.96, and here I am expecting maybe other leg up around here. Why? Because when the chart is still, we still have the buy signal here in curve. The thing here is, invalidation of this signal is very simple. ME55 rejected here, OBB, and also losing the exponential. I am not financial advisor again. Let me repeat it. But if I had to trade this is very simple. If today you see the close, the euro below 0.986, breaking the mid-21, you will see full retrace to 0.95, 0.96 around this area. Okay, so that is the place I will start looking for if, of course, the mid-21 breaks today. The prediction is the same as yesterday. Just the volatility is different. That's why I don't like to trade these kind of things, because I have to wait a lot of time. Okay, so let me continue. I'm gonna continue with some altcoins because, well, Bitcoin technical analysis is the same as yesterday. Nothing changed. Is same range. Projection to the downside. Okay, let's start with Ethereum. What is doing Ethereum? Okay, Ethereum. Okay, time is over in one day chart, as I said before, yesterday, and the projection is still to the downside. Okay, this is to the downside, as you can see here. Here, this is to the downside like this. Okay, maybe a small bounce if you want to see. Maybe, I mean, you can expect a small bounce, but if you see a bounce, it's just for shorts, not for longs. Okay, so let me show you here. Yeah, 4-hour chart is still present here, as you can see here. Yeah, and here to the moon, of course. Now there is no volume to support this. So any close below 1,360 around there, and you will see full leg down to $1,330, and maybe a bounce there in short term. Maybe yes. If there's a break, if this area breaks, you will see well, $1,000, 260, 50 around there. It depends on Bitcoin as usual. So let's continue with the USD dominance, because USD dominance, let me see if it's bullish or not. Yes, bullish. We have we have buy signal here. It's bouncing here. It's testing. It's gonna test the MI55 here. I am looking for a bounce around this area for the USD dominance here, as you can see here. So, well, this is looking good for a bounce, yes, and also that means Bitcoin will drop. And also here, USD dominance, we have a bullish average from this point and this point, this point and this point. So the projection for USD dominance is like this. Okay, so you will see everything in red in the next 24 hours. Cryptocurrencies, of course. Okay, so let me continue. I'm gonna continue with Solana in 4-hour chart. Same thing, sell signal is following. This asset is following Bitcoin. There's an MA55 here. Yeah, you will see a sell signal maybe in a couple days, and after that, continuation to the downside. Okay, so I think all the altcoins, Neo, for example, yes, it's to the downside as well. It's to the downside in one day chart. Near to the downside as well. We have a couple days. You will see maximum is $4, and here to the downside continuation. Let me see, Matic, yep, to the downside as well. Yeah, testing the resistance here. Testing the resistance here to the moon. No, this is to the downside as well. Mana to the downside as well. All of them, we will see this week. Maybe not today, maybe in a couple days, we are gonna see all the market in red. Okay, this is to the downside as well. Link to the downside. Cadena to the downside. KuCoin to the downside as well. All of them. Kava to the downside. Yeah, all of them, they are following Bitcoin. Their performance is garbage for all the altcoins. HBAR to the downside as well. Let's talk about gold. Gold testing the MI55 here in one day chart, as you can see here. Time is over. Projection to the downside. Okay, so flow to the downside as well. Volatility contracting here. Careful with this, because this asset is gonna break hard to the downside. Fill to the downside as well. NG to the downside. Oh my god, all of them. Dot. Zero line testing here to the downside in one day chart. So I mean, this week is gonna be the week where we are gonna see everything in red. Okay, so let me continue with more altcoins, because for me, it's very well, it's my system, of course. That's why it's very easy to see like the overall the projection. Right here is resistance, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you, and sell signal very soon. Volatility contracting, get ready, because BNB is gonna move hard, and it's gonna move to the downside. For me, well, I don't trade altcoins, but potentially a very good short here. Yeah, audio garbage. Let me see here. Cardano, same. This is gonna break down. Volatility is contracting here. Well, as long as it's below 0.46, 0.44, when you see the sell line testing for Cardano here, to the downside. Okay. And I think that's it for altcoins. I checked many. Okay, let me see other stocks. Let me see Amazon. Amazon testing me 55 here. Of course, even you see we have time here, but this is a downtrend, so to the downside. Okay, weekly chart for Amazon. Yeah, material hit 110, 100 around there. It's not exact. We still have the sell signal present, so sideways, maybe at least a bounce sideways, and potentially here you will see other test to 100. If this area breaks, you will see, well, continuation. The next target is 90, 92, around there. And yep, Apple. Now people are asking me, actually, there was some private message. Let me see. Here. Okay. So this asset, we have a sell signal present in weekly chart, as you can see here. Yeah. And also is holding this area. Okay. This technical analysis is very simple. Any close below 137, you will see full leg down to 120. Okay. Let me see. Someone asked me about Twitter yesterday. I mean, this technical analysis for Bitcoin is the same as yesterday, so there is nothing new. The projection is still the same. It's still the same. So, well, nothing changed. Right now we have a buy signal here. I think in weekly chart it was in July and August, as you can see here, and the projection is gonna be the MI55. Well, right now you are thinking to the moon. No. This is not to the moon. Okay. Right now, this is just a test. You will have to wait. If you want to see reversals, you will need to see a green candle, something like this, beautiful candle, maybe to 50, 60, and after that the pullback, and after that to the moon 1 million if you want, but not yet. Okay, it's looking strong today, this week. Yeah. So let me see the 1-day chart. Yeah, it's looking good actually. Yes, but it's looking good. Yes, the momentum is still to the upside here, but it's just in the higher resistance. Yeah, in a massive range. So I will be careful here. You are thinking Twitter, right? Elon Musk is gonna buy or wants to buy Twitter again. Be careful. In the monthly, this asset is looking good. Yeah, buy signal here, ADX, yes. Yeah, any close this month above $50, you see October closing about 50, you will see continuation, and the target should be around 72, sorry. 72 should be the area. Twitter is looking much better. I think all the assets in the stock market I saw before, Twitter is doing very good actually. It's doing very good. Okay, Netflix. Netflix is in, I think the bottom is in for Netflix. You will see the bounce here is, of course, something like this. Yeah, it will take months because the volatility is garbage for the stock market, but the prediction is still the same. Let me show you here. The monthly, we have, well, potential buy signal forming. So no, this is, I mean, here was the area to buy, around 200, around there, and I said it a long time ago in July. So let me see the weekly chart. Okay, in weekly chart, so that means the next 3 months we are gonna see a pullback for Netflix. If this area holds around 180, 200, well, for me, when you see the buy signal again, maybe next year, yeah, it's gonna be like this. Okay, the maximum target maybe in 2023. I am looking for 360.70 next year. Okay, obvious accumulation for me in OBB. This accumulation, so that's why even if you see a sell, for me potentially could be a good buy opportunity for me, right? For me. Okay, so let me see the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, same thing, is bouncing here in weekly chart. Let me see the 1-day chart here. That's in the mid-21 here. We still have time for maybe other test, other leg up to 290, 80. I think this week or maybe next week, potentially at least sideways, but the projection is to the downside. And the projection, the trend is your friend, and this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. Okay, so I will continue. Okay, Rose. Someone asked me about Rose to the downside. All the cryptocurrencies, all of them, they have the same setup in one the chart. Get ready, because if you are thinking the bottom is in, because your favorite YouTuber is saying the bottom is in, I will be very careful. Okay. Okay, so Solana, I will talk about Solana. Okay, let's continue. Theta, time is over. Time is over, as you can see here. And well, you will see Theta breaking this range is going to be massive because we have volatility contracting here. So the cryptocurrency space is getting ready for a massive move. Massive move. All the altcoins, they are getting ready. In this case, I think it's to the downside. So, Tesla. Tesla, very bad. And on the chart, let me see the weekly chart. Sell signal, beautiful sell signal, as you can see here. Decimal 55 here. Of course, it will take some months. And after that, if these are breaks, I mean, MA21, around 235. If these are breaks, for example, this month, any close below 230, around there, well, the target should be around 134, around there, in the long term, of course, in the long term. One thing someone asked me was a very interesting question. When I am thinking the bear market is gonna end, if I am right with my technical analysis, I think in the Q2 we will see finally the end of the bear market potentially in 2023. The end, I mean, not the end like a macro bounce, but it's gonna be part of a bigger correction, because I think we are gonna see at least 1 year, more than 1 year, the bear market in the stock market, bear market in the stock market. It's very sad because right now Bitcoin is following the stock market. SP 500. Let me just one thing here. If we see, for example, 6-month chart, 6 months, this is reversal. Okay, I know people they want just waste time in 4-hour chart, right? But believe me, I mean, professional traders, especially investors, they are not wasting time in 4-hour chart. They are looking for weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, and so on. Okay, so I have a big warning here for 2023. That's why if you want to know my prediction for Bitcoin 2023, well, of course, it's because I am not expecting something bullish in 2023 for the stock market. Actually, this is very simple. If you want to see reversals, I mean, if you see in January 2023, January 1st, SP 500 is below 4,300, well, welcome for a reversal the next 6 months. So this is gonna be a multi-year potentially correction. Every time when we saw this in 6 months chart, watch this. Yeah, here reversal, here reversal, and after that, 1 year and a half of price action to the downside. So this 2022 is just the beginning. So if we see this close below 4,200 below there, you will see at least the SP500 in the long term, of course, next year, testing 55 around 2,600. That is my target in the long term, in some point 2023. Okay, so be aware of this, because 2023 is not gonna be something amazing, especially when you see the 12 month, because here it's very interesting, right? You look at this. What is this? What is this formation? Yeah, and it closed below 3,700. I mean, you see again, January 1st, 2023, and it closed below there. Potentially, you will see 1 month or two a bounce, but that bounce is gonna be a sell. Why? Because this is reversal as well in yearly. So let me see how many times we have this formation. Last time was in the 73. And after that, continuation next year. You see? So if this level is taken 3,700 this year, well, you can expect in the yearly it's gonna test the MA21. So let me show you. Where is MA21? 2,300, 600, 500, around there. Yeah. So of course it's gonna take long time. So you are thinking the bear market is over? I don't think so. I don't think so. especially here, wonderful Bereza variance. I'm not saying maybe next year, but maybe the next 5 years. When you see this Bereza variance playing here around 2024, 2025, 2026, from this point and this point, careful. You keep following the TikTokers saying, if you invest $500 every month in the next 20 years, you will be a millionaire in this SP500. It's very clear for me. They have no idea what is technical analysis. Yeah, but okay. Let's see. If everything is okay, I will be here and I will enjoy shorting all the market. I will be here shorting, don't worry. Okay, so let's continue. TSM. What is that? TSM. Okay, nice. Okay, perfect. Good. This is reversal. Okay, fair enough. You see? Reversal. Okay. In yearly. Okay. Yes, I'm curious. I don't know what is this, but let me see. Sell signal in 6 months chart. Wonderful. $60 is gonna be the target. The monthly. Yep. Yeah, $60 it should be the target around here. They make 100 around there. Yeah. So I don't know. You didn't specify a weekly chart, right? Weekly chart. Here we have bullets appearance here. So you want to accumulate this. Makes sense for me. You have a wonderful. I hope one day I can see something like this. We have a bullet appearance here from this point and this point and this point and this point forming, of course. Forming. It will take time. You have the volatility expanding here. Yeah. That is not a good sign, of course. So in macro time frame, 60 level is the target in monthly. Okay. So around here, 60, around this area. If you see this level tested, for me, I am not a financial advisor, but for me, this is gonna be the best area to buy this asset. Yeah. So you see this level, because we have bullish divergence forming right now, it should be something like this. Okay, at least to test ME55. My cat. Sorry. Okay, so that's it, I think, for stock market, and I have a big warning for all the XRP believers, right? XRP is garbage, and I need to say it, right? Yeah, I will say it. I know, because some people, they were asking me a lot about XRP. Oh, XRP will hit blah 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 the SEC blah 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 blah. Yeah, let me tell you something. If you see your favorite asset, this garbage, right? Yeah, without making a new ATA in the strongest bull market Bitcoin had in 2020 and altcoins, you see, here, this is not good. Okay, this is not good. At this point, XRP, I mean last year, 2021, 2020, should be around here. The new ATA, around maybe, I don't know, $10, 20, whatever. Like, for example, Cardano. But no, that didn't happen. The performance was very bad. Okay, so what you can expect here, eventually this asset is gonna break down. It's gonna break down. I am looking for 0.23 in the long term. And if this area breaks, well, get ready, because XRP is not looking very good in the long term. When I said long term, I'm talking about years. In a bull market, it didn't do anything good. In a bear market, well, it's garbage. Well, that was my opinion, of course, right? I respect you are thinking XRP is the next Bitcoin, whatever. Up to you. Okay, so let me continue here. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's for. I don't have more questions here. So let's talk about the one-day chart here for all the altcoins. Okay, all the altcoins. Watch this. Be careful, because I know you are bullish on altcoins and you are holding, right? DCA, because the YouTuber said DCA is the most powerful strategy, right? If you do it, you will make it, right? Okay. Okay, very funny. Okay, this is, what is this? we will see a sell signal this week. Okay, this asset, all the altcoins in general, the performance is garbage, sideways. So 1 million, right? Of course not. This is gonna break down. Okay, new lows 470 around here, and eventually we will see a bounce, but continuation. So if I am right with this, you will see this month 500 broken. I mean, the 55 this month, and you will see capitulation for altcoins. That is the thing. I am looking for capitulation. Actually, I am looking for capitulation. I don't see real panic in the markets. People, they are just, oh, I am scared, but this is a lifetime opportunity. You know, if you buy, you will be a millionaire with Bitcoin. That's why I wanna buy. As long as you see that kind of people on Twitter and social media, I think the market will keep dumping. Okay, because one of the most important things here is you need to see people really losing hope. I wanna see. I know it sounds very sad, but talking about from psychology of trading, I mean from that view, I want to see all the people who made money in 2020 destroy it. Yeah, all of them. After that, finally, the crypto believers, they will be, oh, okay, this is a real bear market. Finally, Bitcoin will go to zero. Finally, okay. And after that, I will be bullish. Okay. I could be wrong, yes, but honestly, I don't care, because as a trader, I can make profits here, or here. Okay, I don't care if Bitcoin is at 100k, 20k, 10k, because as a trader, I can make profits in any price. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think that's it for today. Recap for Bitcoin in the very, very short term. Yeah, in the very, very short term. Let me show you here 4-hour chart. We still have the sell signal present, as you can see here. Sell signal present here. So for me, today, of course, the next, today, for me, this is just distribution, and the projection is gonna be testing the MI55 here around $19,600. That is the area. If this setup breaks, careful, because if this setup breaks, you will see $18,000, 800, 700, and potentially new lows. Okay, so in 1-hour chart, what we have here, OBB is very clear here for me, right? For me, OBB is not looking healthy here. The sell signal is here. It was $20,000, 250, 260, 300 around here. The sell line is testing here, yes, but we have time because this is not looking healthy. I am in short. Yes, I am in short, looking for the break. Invalidations, yes, very simple. You see this asset is still holding here the next 24 hours, and you see the 4-hour chart testing the sell line, something like this, right? Something like this. In the next 24 hours, potentially you will see other leg up, and that leg up is not to the moon. Actually, it's gonna be a bull trap. Stop hunting, and after that you will see the real move. Well, that is my expectation based on my experience. Something like this, okay, or something like this. You see, to the moon, and after that, like this. And the reason is simple: is because there is no time. Bitcoin doesn't have enough time. Time is over in 1-day chart, weekly chart. Bitcoin is garbage. It's very sad. That is true. There is no time. 1-day chart, time is over. 5-day chart, time is over. The slope is negative here in curve. MI55 broken. Weekly chart, wait for it, because this month you will see Bitcoin testing the zero line here, and Bitcoin is just lazy, doing nothing here. Get ready. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we will see the resolution of this projection, for me, to the downside. Okay, if you are bullish, fair enough, good luck. Thank you, and see you next time.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. When it